Hey everybody, Jeremy Wicker here. Just wanted to give a quick update. Been quiet the past few months. Finally got picked up for the job that I've been wanting for the past 10 years, flying citation latitudes for the best private jet company in the world. So that's pretty awesome. The downside was I wasn't able to do a whole lot of flying in the time that it took to do the NDOC and the initial training and getting up to IOE and things like that. But I was able to get the annual done on the Pitts, and never mind the mess. It's a hangar in progress. One of the issues that we had early on was very high oil temps. Normally could only get 2, maybe 3 consecutive sequences in a row before the oil temp was maxing out at 230, and anybody that knows anything about engines knows super hot oil like that is a terrible thing, and it's pretty much useless at that point. So Patrick Mackley was pretty cool, told me about how he had to do a secondary oil cooler. Summertime in Florida, it's super hot, and especially the lower you go. So managed to add a secondary oil cooler, and that little sucker in conjunction with that one. So now we've got 2 oil coolers, and everything works pretty tip-top. So we're getting around 200 to 210 degrees after multiple aerobatic sequences in a row. So just kind of getting back into it. I haven't flown acro in a long time, and the last time I did was once after several months of not flying any acro, so I got to get back into it now that the airplane's running tip top. But anywho, I'll do a quick little video on post-annual test flight and see how everything goes. We'll see ya.
Kyler traffic, Pitts 124, Whiskey, departing runway 9er, Kyler.
Left base, runway 3, okay.
Came in too low on the bottom.
X-ray traffic, 267 on the go, left base traffic, runway 3, okay.
this thing dropped at 20 degrees or more for the secondary oil cooler. I can live with that. Once that oil hits 230, it's toast. We'll drop on that on the field.